Hey, everyone! Use the Saywhat coupon code to get a 10% discount on your plans. Just click the link in the description below, where the coupon will apply automatically. If you're looking to enhance your communication tools and services while enjoying some savings, this is your perfect opportunity. Saywhat offers innovative solutions designed to improve your messaging and communication experiences. Whether you need assistance with voice recognition, transcription, or enhancing customer interactions, Saywhat provides tools that cater to your needs. By applying the coupon code at checkout, you'll unlock an exclusive 10% discount on your purchase. This limited-time offer allows you to access premium services without straining your budget, so don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Imagine how much more effective your communication can be with those savings. With Saywhat's user-friendly platform, you'll be well-equipped to elevate your messaging strategies. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and great deals. Thank you for watching.